Today, we're going to be talking about a company that is in the AI space that recently had a stock split. No, not NVIDIA today. We're going to be talking about Broadcom, ticker symbol AVGL. So, we've been seeing them in the headlines. The stock price is up. We'll be taking a look at what in particular has been going on with this company, what it could mean for their future, and are they on their way to being in the $1 trillion club by 2030? So, Broadcom is a global technology leader that designs, develops, and supplies semiconductor and infrastructure software solutions. A major player in the tech industry, especially known for their contributions in the semiconductor market. So, let's take a look at the stock price. So, I'm actually filming this while Jerome Powell is speaking. So, the markets are kind of on fire right now. A little bit more about the company. Their key focus is around products that are integrated in data centers, networking, broadband, wireless, storage, and industrial applications. Broadcom is crucial in the development of the tech infrastructure that powers our connected world. In recent headlines, we've been seeing that Broadcom has been gaining momentum in the market. And this came after they announced that they have secured two AI chip customers, further solidifying their role in the rapidly growing AI space. So, AI and Broadcom. AI technology is one of the hottest sectors right now, and the company's involvement in AI chips, and they're seeing the significant growth in that area. So, Broadcom's move to expand its AI portfolio by attracting new customers in this space is a strategic play that investors are excited about. So, on the day, Broadcom is up 1.92%. On the month, up only 1.02%. But year to date, they're up 52.42%. Broadcom's main three customers are Google, Meta, and ByteDance, but they are working to add new AI chip customers, which is a big deal because AI is expected to drive the next wave of the technology innovation. So, these new customers could lead to increased revenue and a strong market position for Broadcom in the AI space. And as we saw when we were looking at the stock performance, Broadcom's investors are bullish on the company's ability to capitalize on the AI boom. The stock is now being seen as a strong contender for long term growth. And analysts are speculating whether Broadcom could reach trillion-dollar status by 2030. This is largely due to the growing dominance in the key areas like AI, networking, and software that Broadcom is centered around. So let's take a quick look at some predictions for price by the end of Q3. So current stock price is $166.15. We have price targets here of 185 to 200 with the factors of continued growth in the AI driven revenue, positive market sentiment, and increased investor interest following the 10-for-1 stock split that has occurred. So they made themselves much more affordable to the retail investors, as well as effective management of their debt load are some key factors that they point to here. As far as the long term growth potential, Broadcom needs to continue expanding its market share in these high growth sectors like AI in order to maintain their leadership in the semiconductor solutions arena. If you're not already invested in the Broadcom, to be on track to be a $1 trillion company, Broadcom needs to continue expanding its market share into the high growth areas around AI and leadership when it comes to semiconductor solutions. So they will have to continue to be innovative and strategic with their acquisitions and building up their company. They're also focused on their rollout of 5G technology. So these are some of the factors that could propel the company towards that $1 trillion mark. So investing into companies like this is not just chasing the next big thing. It's about recognizing that they have the potential for long-term growth because of their involvement with AI chips. Now, with all investing, you have to be patient, you have to be consistent, you have to do your research. But I just wanted to highlight that Broadcom is making those strategic moves, and analysts think they are on track for favorable momentum with their company and their stock performance in the future. So, do your research, and if you're interested in adding or enhancing your investing platforms, check out my links for Moomoo and Weeble. They will be in the description and pinned in the comments. So before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at NVIDIA, another stock focused on AI that also had a stock split earlier this year. So on the day, they are also up 3.95%. Year to date, NVIDIA is up 167.02%. So, taking a quick look at NVIDIA's price targets, their average price target is $153.88. So, if you want additional exposure to AI in your portfolio, these might be two to consider if you don't have them already. So, if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and leave me a comment. Let me know if you think Broadcom is clearly a stock to watch, especially with its growing influence in the AI space. So, I always share that my portfolio is built upon a foundation of my ETFs like VTI and VOO. But when I want to have additional exposure to different sectors, I sit down and do my research on companies like these, where I want to have that additional exposure to, for example, AI technology, because I really see the potential growth. So I have not invested into Broadcom yet. Did add NVIDIA into my portfolio at the beginning of the year, but just wanted to highlight and bring to your attention what is going on with Broadcom. So I'll be back soon with more updates. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.